Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video what we're doing again is basically I have my Supreme Week 10 unboxing. I'm pretty excited to show you all this item. You guys really know what it is. If you guys saw my live cop video, then you know what this is. But I just want to do an unboxing for it, just sort of really show you all what it is and get into it from there because, I'm excited about it, We got some pickups here. I haven't done a pickups video in a while because I really haven't been that interested in spring summer 19. And honestly, this item, I think it's cool. But if I get a good offer on it, then I'll sell it to you for sure. I'll sell it to you for a good deal because it's a nice item, but it's not something that I'm like going crazy over. So I might be willing to sell it. If anyone in the comments throws a good offer, then for sure it'll be yours for that price, whatever you throw, if it's good. And we're gonna get straight into it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want more unboxings, because that's what this video is. If you want more videos just like this, then go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like in this video. Let's even hit 150 likes on this unboxing, and we'll do more just like this. I'm sorry that I'm stuttering my words. I don't really know why. I just got back from practice, so maybe I'm a bit tired. Maybe that's why my brain just isn't really working like that, which I get. But we're gonna get straight into this video, really show you all the item, go over it a little bit, some details. Hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get started. Of course, you know me. I keep stuff safe for the kids. We're using kid scissors to unbox this package. It's not a box. We don't need to use any aggression, to say the least. Honestly, I could just open this with my hands, but we're just gonna use kid scissors. We're gonna stay very careful. You can go like that. But see, the kid scissors don't even work. Failed there. We're just gonna open it like this. So right here, see that? And I'm just gonna tear it through. Boom. And here is the package. You got it secured right there. I'm trying to make like a little thumbnail. You see what I'm saying? You get it? Yeah, all right, you get what I'm saying. But in here, just got a normal Supreme bag. There's absolutely nothing crazy about this. I'll take the item out at first though. See if you got any stickers, which we do have some stickers. We actually have a whole sticker pack right here. I think that's one Supreme Box logo sticker. Yeah, just one Supreme Box logo sticker. And then some stickers from the collaboration we had this week, which I was not interested in whatsoever. They are a little bent. So Supreme, I don't know what you're doing there. My stickers are bent though. But it's cool. It's still a sticker pack. I don't know why I tossed that. Gotta set that down carefully. So we got that. And then the main thing we have this week, the thing I actually wanted to discuss overall, I was thinking at first for personal, but again, if I get a good offer, then I will sell it. We do have the Supreme Highland jacket. Now, basically what this item is it's a massive jacket. So you can see that, all the details about it, little buttons and all that. I am going to undead stock it, blah, blah, blah. It's basically dead stock. I'm not even really gonna put it on like that, but we're just gonna take it out of this wrap. We're not gonna rip it though. We're just gonna like do this sort of thing. Carefully detach it. There you go. We're using big words now. I got a big brain. It's like, not really. All right, so we're gonna slide it out. And we slid it out of there. It's basically in still amazing condition. I haven't done anything. Paper right there. I'm just gonna remove that. Be very careful. And y'all can see this. Here's the whole jacket actually overall. You all can peep this right there. On the back, we got a little Supreme Box logo, but that's not the only details of it. If you guys are wondering, yeah, I got pockets right there. It's a lot of pockets in this jacket. It's more like a winter jacket. But if you think that's it, actually, you've got it all wrong. The hood actually detaches right there. There's a Velcro back and actually detaches and becomes a whole hood. If you guys can see this, it becomes a whole hood. This is like a Supreme hoodie jacket, and you guys can see on the hood, then there you go. This is Supreme right there, which I find this to be dope. Like, I think this is sick. I like that. And then you basically just fold it back up, Velcro it, and the hood is back to just being, like a normal jacket. So it's like a hoodie and a jacket, hoodie jacket. There you go. I guess you could just call it a jacket, but it just unzips like this. Buttons work like that. Again, I have not really anything damaged the quality of this jacket, so if anybody still wants it, it's basically dead stock. I take very good care of my item. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but if you guys can see, there you go. You also got a Supreme right there. Very little, I think it's like embroidered, yeah. It's a little patch on embroidered, something like that. And we got the strings right there. I'm not gonna mess with the adjustments Supreme's made, but you all can see that right there. And my favorite part of it is actually the hood, like that little part right there, and how it just folds back up. You can fold it, and then it just goes right back into, little coach jacket sort of thing. And again, I think that's just like the best part of it. So, if you want a hoodie, rainy day, boom, just a normal casual day in the winter, boom, just like that. But you can wear it like that or other way. So shout out Supreme. I think it's a dope jacket for sure. Definitely one I'm glad to have. And again, if anybody wants to throw an offer down below, I'm gonna keep this in very good condition. I'm gonna put it back to like it was its original packaging. Not gonna change anything about it. So if anyone wants to throw an offer, go ahead and I'll sell it to you. But I still think it's a dope jacket for sure. I'm glad that I got it. And a little quick week 10 unboxing comes with the sticker pack too. I'll even ship it with the sticker pack. If someone wants to cop, I'll give you these stickers too. So there we go. We throwing steals. And go follow like my Instagram stuff down below. My reselling page, all that. If you want to go check it out. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just going on here. Anyways though, hope you guys did enjoy this quick little unboxing video. I'm trying to upload as frequent as I can, if you guys can't tell. I've been on it lately with my upload, just staying consistent, because that's how, if I want to do something with this channel, you know, like I got here, I gotta stay consistent, because that's the only way people are really gonna see my content, I feel like, is if I'm consistent with it. Because I'm consistent with it, people are gonna want to peep what I have. But yeah, you know, the quick little unboxing we threw out there. So if you are new and want more unboxings like this, more stuff, you guys can go ahead and subscribe below. And also, you guys can also drop a like in this video. Very simple stuff right there. And I also forgot to go in about the material on the inside of the jacket. It's like the material inside the track jacket, very similar to say the least. But you know, quick little review of the jacket right there, unboxing. And yeah, you know, nothing crazy, but we'll do crazier stuff in the future for sure as we get there. So I'm gonna close it out here. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Tristan, and peace out.